Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss on verbal sanitation, women and pay gap, women and role conflict, gender neutral language and sex trafficking. Write notes on women and pay gap or gender pay gap. Answer is women are paid less on many grounds. Women are paid less for the nature of the job they do. They mainly do clerical jobs, care jobs, catering jobs, reception jobs, cleaning jobs, etc. All these are low skill demanding jobs. Women and men do not earn the same amount for doing the same kind of work. Women's work is undervalued. This is called gender pay gap. Many women take up part-time jobs to make a balance between domestic work and outside work. Part-time work demands lower skills and lower pay. Gender pay gap indicates the inequalities faced by women in their access to work, in their progress in career, and the rewards they get from work. What is verbal sanitation? Answer is making language gender free or avoiding the use of sexist language is termed verbal sanitation. As we need to clean our environment, we also need to clean our vocabulary. So, we should be careful about using a language which is gender neutral rather than gendered. Write notes on women and role conflict. Answer is women today pursue dual careers. They take up jobs which require them to go out. So, women working outside home operate in two contrasting worlds, the world of work and the world of home. The demand of these two worlds often conflict with each other. In home, she is expected to provide care to the members of the family. And at work, she is expected to be highly productive for the organization. This creates a role conflict for working women. Write notes on gender neutral language. Answer is using proper language is a matter of awareness. We need not use words which demean or offend people with whom we interact. We need to use language that conveys respect to each other. We should use a language which is gender neutral rather than gendered. Few examples are in place of mankind, we can use humanity. In place of man's achievement, we can use human achievement. In place of common man, we can use ordinary people. In place of chairman, we can use chairperson. In case of businessman, we can use business executive. In case of layman, we can use layperson. In place of forefather, we can use ancestor. In place of early man, we can use early people. In place of fireman, we can use firefighter. In place of salesman, we can use salesperson. Write notes on sex trafficking. Answer is sex trafficking is the trafficking of girls and women for the purpose of sexual exploitation, including sexual slavery. Sex trafficking is the largest growing commercial enterprise carried out in many nations. Women are taken and are sold off. Force, fraud, and false promises are used to capture girls and women for commercial use. Pakistan, Thailand, China, India, and Bangladesh are among the top 10 countries. Top 10 for countries with the largest number of trafficking victims around the world.